Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be going over a review of the Chemical Guys all-season car wash kit.
What's up, boys?
I just got a new truck. I'll post a picture here in a second. It's a beautiful truck. I want to take care of it. It's my first black vehicle. It's the nicest truck I've ever owned. So I wanted to get basically a cleaning kit that was, above average, maybe just an average car care kit. I'm not, super into detailing. I do like my stuff to look nice. I'm just not a professional. Just a guy who likes to, wash his vehicles, keep it clean. So we'll be going through the kit. I'll show you some of the stuff that comes in it. This is not a sponsored video. I'd love to be sponsored by Chemical Guys, so shout out to them. But I just went with them. It looked like a good price for a good product, and it's an all-season kit. Kind of goes for everything in general for washing a vehicle. A heavy-duty mitt, multi-purpose detailing mitt. Pretty cool. Some microfiber towels. The lighting is not the best on this video. Got a brush, cleaning brush. A microfiber applicator. This is for probably like waxing and stuff later. Okay, I got Chemical Guys butter wet wax. That looks pretty cool. I dropped it, sorry about that. Chemical Guys Sticky Citrus Wheel Cleaner. That should smell good, we'll see. Hypercoat Protective Dressing. Some watermelon snow foam. I believe this is just your, basic soap on, soap off type deal. Let's see. Streak-free window cleaner. That could be handy for inside the vehicle and on the windows. And the kit also comes with the Chemical Guys, it's for just a normal garden hose. It's the Foam Blaster Pro foam gun. So I plan on upgrading to a pressure washer system in the near future, but for now I just wanted to go with something that can attach to any hose at your house. Let's see, I'll show you what the bucket looks like that this all shipped in. Chemical Guys cleaning bucket. It's really nice. It's good size, and all their stuff fits inside. It's a really nice kit. Excited to try it all out. Hey guys, I've been going through the cleaning kit here, and I've got the spray gun that you would put on any hose. It's pretty rudimentary, but it's got this nice quick connect to our foam dispenser. So we'll put some of the wash soap in here, some water, fill it up, and we'll rinse the car off with this, and we'll attach our quick connect, foam the car down, and then rinse it off with this. I also want to show you on here there's different levels for the foam. I think it goes all the way up to 5. So I'll test these out as I'm using it. So I start by just rinsing off the vehicle. I want to get as much dirt and grime off as I can with just simple water pressure. Next I attach the foam gun from my standard home hose, and I start spraying down the vehicle with the sprayer, the foam, and then I simply rinse it off, and we've got a really nice shine. I wanted to scrub the vehicle and do a real deep clean, but with my kids washing my wife's vehicle and me just trying to get through, that whole ordeal, I ended up just doing a touchless wash, and it turned out great.